But in the meantime, I've got another car for us to have a quick look at.
Okay, so this one is one of the first kits that we're talking about before. Very special, very exclusive.
This is the only one in Australia
currently. Yeah. So
it is coming. It is coming next 3 to 6 weeks. Is that right?
Something like that. Yeah, it should be coming soon.
So it is coming. It is Australia bound, but this is one that Tamiya Australia had on display.
And they gave us the opportunity to do, of course, an unboxing.
Yep.
And we will do a build.
So we have done a proper unboxing because we won't do it justice. Kobe did one. He did one. But I just wanted to show it to the what's in the box, right? This isn't an unboxing. This is more of a what's in the box
overview.
So this is a classic. Well, classic. It's all brand new tooling. 1/24th from Tamiya, and it is very much 1/24th curbside kit.
Yeah.
So it doesn't have full engine detail or anything like that, but this will be a new classic. And if you know anything about the old Supras, right? We sell Subarus, we sell Skylines, and we sell Supras, right?
Absolutely.
They are the three most. If you don't have these in, we don't sell anything to me.
Exactly. Exactly.
No, so this will be like a future classic for sure.
Absolutely.
So the GR Supra, the GR stands for Gazoo Racing, which is the performance arm of Toyota, right? They make all sorts of things. Here in Australia at the moment, we do have the GR Supra. We also have the GR Yaris. Corolla and the Yaris.
Super cool, actually.
Aren't they?
They are virtually race ready, you know, for some good fun on the race.
I like the Yaris and the Corolla, Nick, because they actually have sort of not comical, but they almost look like radio control proportions,
true,
right?
Actually, very true. Because a lot wider.
They're a lot wider and the squat stance, and they go like stink.
That's right. Right. So what do we got here? We got the front and rear bumpers.
Front and rear bumpers.
Now the plastic is extremely
window mask.
Window masking.
That's not something that I'd expect to see in a curbside kit.
I mean, again, the kits are getting more and more detailed as always.
What have we got in here? I shouldn't be in here. I'm not licensed to be in here. Oh, we've got the chrome stickers. If I can
get a bit closer, let me see if I can zoom you in. There we go.
So we've got the chrome work, which is really good for the badges and the mirrors.
Ooh, have I messed it up? Yeah, wrong direction. There we go.
There we go. Look at that.
That's very nice.
Look at that. Beautiful. So it's not photo etch, but you wouldn't need it, right? Who wants to work with photo etch when you're doing this? I always get yelled at because the only sticker manufacturer I know is Cartograph.
I think it's the only one, probably. It seems like every model, every kit manufacturer using them. Absolutely.
Yeah, that's right. Tamiya, however, obviously use our own.
That's right.
And there'll be nothing wrong with Tamiya decals over the time.
No.
And if you call them stickers, Kobe gets a bit emotional.
Every model
they're not stickers.
They're not stickers.
Look, even the dash instrumentation, water slide decals.
Oh, okay. Water slide. There's actually quite a bit of technique, jokes aside, to install or to attach these stickers. I think we've done a few videos on using different macroset, macrosol, and all this kind of products to
really help. Here is the chassis, or you know what I mean? So we've got the chassis, the running gear.
Yep.
Probably got an exhaust system to put underneath.
Going through.
Which is really nice.
Wheel arches.
Got the chassis plate or the monocoque somewhat, I suppose. So really nice.
The seats on.
We've got some rims, wheel detail.
Very nice.
Steering rack, front K-frame. Looks like rear drive shafts. So some suspension componentry here. Just so crisp. I cannot even. The latest Tamiya molds are just amazing.
I mean, it's evolving and it's getting better and better and better, really.
And their instructions for somebody who's been making model kits for so long, and they still include instructions for the newbie for the first time.
Which is very important because at the end,
not everybody's been building models for 100 years.
Exactly. Very traditional instruction. Yeah, they're always very functional. Tamiya instruction, after all, they're very consistent, but yet they're extremely informative. You know,
if anybody ever says a first-time model, I want to build a car, I always try and steer them to a Tamiya for a first one, just because the clarity and they're just concise and they fit really well.
You know, most of the time is a very straightforward build.
Beautiful body. Body shells in white. I like that because whatever color that you want to paint this, it's going to come through nice.
They give people flexibility.
You won't have to use a white undercoat or whatnot.
Definitely.
So I really like it. Big rubber tires, of course. Chrome wheels. Chrome work.
So you got some wheels in chrome, but also there were spokes on the other.
I'd say that it's probably like a trim panel that fits over the top.
That's very nice.
the plastics, and of course, again, the Tamiya plastics is going to be absolutely next level. You can even see the rear demist.
Yes, incredible.
You know, in the clear. Okay, it's not going to be like the same quality as Emma collections, right?
Of course not. But I mean, when you give this to hand of a very good modeler, like we have few display at the front cabinet.
Jack A, right?
Jack Hay.
He's the one who's going to build this for us.
It's hard to distinguish what's a racing kit and what's this. So what we do, we may call up Kobe that is going to talk about the next one.
Yep. So
shall I run out and catch Kobe?
If you run out, probably take your microphone off,
go.
Because especially if you go in the toilet or something, we've had some
we'll do
uncomfortable moments with Tony.
Absolutely. All right. Let me go find Kobe.
Thank you, Nick. Thank you, Nick. I'll pack this away. Oh.